You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. We're going to consider this is the noun you're looking for. It's pronounced in British English as in the UK. Expatriates, expatriates. Now, in the US, it's normally pronounced, more commonly pronounced as expatriates, expatriates. Now, it can be a verb as well. And as a verb, you've got the same difference. Expatriates or expatriates. But as a noun, which is probably the most common use of this word, it's pronounced either expatriates or expatriates. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.